The Top 10 Archive. Our sun batters the Earth with an enormous amount of energy every day, portions of which provide our planet with the light and heat necessary to support precious life. When temperatures get intolerable, most of us turn to the luxuries that keep us cool. But what if these services weren't available? From the blistering heat of the Sahara Desert to the sweltering Death Valley, these are the highest recorded temperatures on Earth. Number 10. Ain Salah, Algeria. Ain Salah is an oasis town in central Algeria and located in the heart of the Sahara Desert region of northern Africa. An important trade link between northern and central Africa in its time, the town has declined in modern times due to high transportation cost and developing gas fields in the southwest. Temperatures in this region commonly reach 43 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and only averages 16 millimeters or 0.6 inches of rainfall annually. Solar irradiation is extremely high due to a constant clear sky year-round, as cloudy skies are rare. On July 12, 2002, this region hit a record high of 50.6 degrees Celsius or 123 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 9. Oodnadatta, Australia. In Australia, Oodnadatta recorded a high temperature of 50.7 degrees Celsius or 123.2 degrees Fahrenheit on January 2, 1960. A small town surrounded by pastoral rangelands close to the Simpson Desert, consisting of less than 300 people, including indigenous Australians, Oodnadatta has a subtropical desert climate described as arid and uncomfortably hot. A large sign resides in town that states, "The driest town, the driest state of the driest continent." Number 8. San Luis Rio Colorado, Mexico. On June 25, 1951, temperatures of 52 degrees Celsius or 125.6 degrees Fahrenheit were recorded in San Luis Rio Colorado, considered one of the hottest and driest cities in Mexico. A mountainous region mixed with semi-arid and subhumid climates makes up eastern Sonora, while the Sonoran Desert dominates the western side with low scattered mountains and wild plains. Sonora produces practically all of Mexico's copper and contributes a large portion of its fish and pork stock to the country. Number 7. Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Jeddah is located in Saudi Arabia's Red Sea coastal plain called Tihama. Featuring an arid climate, Jeddah is unlike other Saudi Arabian cities as it retains its warm temperatures during winter, which range from 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit during the morning to 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the afternoon. During the summer, temperatures are exceedingly hot, often breaking 43 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit at midday, though the highest temperature recorded in Jeddah was 52 degrees Celsius or 125.6 degrees Fahrenheit on June 22, 2010. Rainfall in this region is generally sparse, usually in minute amounts in November and December. Number 6. Nasiriyah, Iraq. The climate of Iraq is mostly desert conditions with mild to cool winters and dry, hot summers. Average temperatures range from 48 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit in July and August to below freezing in January. Most rainfall occurs from December to April and usually between 4 to 7 inches yearly. The lack of rain and extreme heat together make much of Iraq a desert. It was on August 3, 2011 in Ali Air Base where a record temperature for the area rose to 52 degrees Celsius or 125.7 degrees Fahrenheit around 1 p.m. local time. Number 5. Tirat Zvi, Israel. A religious kibbutz located in the Bet Shean Valley, south of the city of Bet Shean and west of the Jordan River. Tirat Zvi sits 220 meters or 720 feet below sea level. On June 21, 1942, a temperature of 53 degrees Celsius or 127.4 degrees Fahrenheit was recorded, making it the highest daytime temperature in Asia. Precipitation in the Upper Galilee region of Israel is relatively heavy, up to 44 inches or 1,120 millimeters a year. For this reason, Tirat Zvi is the largest date grower in Israel, with some 18,000 trees. Number 4. Mohenjo-Daro, Pakistan. Sindh, located in the western corner of South Asia, is the third largest province of Pakistan and lies in the tropical to subtropical regions of Earth. Bordered by the Thar Desert to the east and the Kirtar Mountains to the west and the Arabian Sea to the south, Sindh is a fertile plain around the Indus River. On average, temperatures rise above 46 degrees Celsius or 115 degrees Fahrenheit between May and August, with minimums of 2 degrees Celsius or 36 degrees Fahrenheit during December and January. But on May 26, 2010, the temperature rose to a record 53.5 degrees Celsius or 128.3 degrees Fahrenheit in Mohenjo-Daro. Number 3. Surabaya, Kuwait. On July 31, 2012, in Surabaya, Kuwait, the temperature of 53.6 degrees Celsius or 128.5 degrees Fahrenheit was recorded and is now considered the second highest temperature documented in Asia. If the region gets enough rainfall, the desert may turn green from mid-March to the end of April. But during the dry season between April and September, the heat is harsh, with temperatures easily reaching 43 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Gabila, Tunisia. Gabila, a town in central Tunisia, holds the number 2 spot for the highest recorded temperature on Earth, recorded on July 7, 1931. Saharan influences can often create sirocco, a seasonal, hot, blasting wind that derives from the south and can have serious dehydration effects on vegetation. Temperatures are influenced by the sea, being less severe on the coast and gradually getting hotter inland. Precipitation in the region varies considerably, with a mean annual rainfall of 60 inches or 152 centimeters in the Krumiri Mountains in northwestern Tunisia, to less than 4 inches or 10 centimeters at Tozeur in the southwest. Number 1. Death Valley, California. It is the lowest, hottest, and driest portion of the United States, known for its extreme temperatures and aridity. Greenland Ranch, Death Valley, California, holds the world record for the highest temperature recorded on July 10, 1913. Temperatures often exceed 49 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit in summer and rarely reaches the freezing point, with the lowest temperature recorded being -9 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Fahrenheit during the winter. The high temperatures and low humidity contribute to the exceptionally high evaporation rates, and most rainfall is blocked by mountains to the west. The only natural water sources are in saline ponds and marshes located around the salt pan. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to visit and sign up with our friends